All right, boys. Well, we got the new hitch and welded little tiny tabs on the bottom of it so we can mount the chains for the trailer. Now this is a Motion Raceworks parachute for the back of a 19 Coyote. The parachute slides in there, pin goes through the bottom, parachute stays up top, obviously. That will stay on and be put on while we're at the tracks. Now when we go into tow mode, that comes off. We're gonna make, Matt's gonna build a sleeve that slides into the parachute mount in the back of the car, come out here and sit something like that to be able to mount our trailer to go on the back. So got some ideas in our head, but I know Matt will figure it out. He's the genius. But yeah, ready to rock. Come check out the trailer. Also, we're gonna raise the ride height on the front because it was way too low. It was rubbing the front end and trying to cut into the skinnies. And we're about to be driving this thing 1,000 miles, so we don't want that. So we're gonna go ahead and adjust it up to raise the car. Like a mile away. Their shop is right on the other side. Go ahead and get this up. They were sitting at 4 inches. Brought them up to 3.5. Man, I haven't been turning in a while. There we go. Get this thing sitting right here in a minute. Also bought this blackout kit for my dad's car. As you can tell, these lights are fucking just factory and ugly as hell. I just put the headlight one on. The headlight one's not super dark, but it's darker than clear, so you can still see. But these will be black. I got some other emblem ones in the very back of the car, and then the tail lights are red and shit. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick that on there for him as he's plucking away right now, welding and grinding on the 6 week trailer. All right, guys, welcome back to the Southern Chaos YouTube channel. Babe, tell them what time it is.
All-wheel drive really helps the spectator drag.
Freedom Factory time. Never been down on one of these races other than like car shows and stuff back in the day. Actually, I think I brought Spanky when it was white back in the day when they first opened it. But we're coming out to hang out with James and Miss Tall and watch some spectator drags and then possibly go out to the bar later. It's a mom and dad at night. It's gonna be a fun time. Stay tuned. It's gonna be good. Driving the fucking wheels off.
Yeah. A little sketchy. He saved it from going into the wall. The Audi. Driving like his life depends on it. He has no clue where that blazer is, so he's putting it all out there. All the truck drivers in the pits, I need you guys to make your way to the entrance of the track to get ready for the truck spectator drags. Thank you. So know you're doing a backwards entry into turn 3 at the Freedom Factory. Give it up! Is looking good, and you came very close to that Blazer earlier, so put it down, man. I'm pulling for you. We got a lot more petrol heads out here than we got electricity heads, so hold it down for us. Give it up for Devin in the Audi!
We got Garrett.
Make some noise for Cletus! It'll be enough. He's coming on the... Oh, he's not coming down. He's
Garrett in the Tesla Plaid versus the Audi. The winner of this, goes to the finals.
Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Man, I'm gonna probably spend at least an hour on Audi's website tonight. Building it that color as well. And it's on! The Tesla gets a jump! He got a big jump on him! Could be enough to keep it if he can play some defensive driving. Coming out of turn 2 on it is unmatched. And he looks like if he doesn't make any mistakes through turn 4, he comes across the line and they're going to send it to a sudden death. Final race. This is going to determine who moves on to.
They both won one, going into the final death right now. So whoever wins this next one goes to the finals.
Wow, and the Tesla gets an amazing launch off the line. That inside line, the Audi's coming in behind him, trying to squeeze in on the inside, coming out of turn 2. But the Audi closes the gap with some serious determination. Is it going to be enough? What an amazing...
All right, so we got truck bulls now. Got J8s. Just another afternoon out here.
Hey, what up, son? You ready for another whooping?
Oh, god damn. You said Spanky coming around his ass again.
I don't know what's happening. Oh, I'm making a video. It's a video. Glenn skiing. It's a video. I was trying to.
Hey, Colorado was last week, dude.
Did I get that? Did I get that on camera? Nate! Come on!
Hold it down. There you go.
Oh! Nate with the red light. Got a great scenery out here tonight, boys. I ain't talking about my lovely woman. Look at this weird sky. It's like matte black. Kind of weird. We're walking across to Shell right now. Grab us a Red Bull. Where? All right, then we're gonna sit right here because we're not gonna jaywalk in front of this cop. We're waiting for Mr. James and Amber, and we're gonna go to Joyland, and then I guess we might be going to Mr. J.H. Diesel's house afterwards. But we got some other homeboy up there. He's doing YouTube live. Going to get a Red Bull.
Well, not on me.
All right, guys, it's a beautiful Monday morning. Yesterday, Sunday, I took a lot of Tylenol and just relaxed because James put me down at the bar. So, it's a Monday, it's 30 degrees, quite chilly. Getting ready. U.S. Street Nationals is this week. Bradenton, Thursday to Sunday. If you guys are in the area, stop by the tent, grab some freaking t-shirts. I got another t-shirt coming out that I think you guys are going to get a kick out of. It's kind of funny. And then we're going to be making a new t-shirt for the white car whenever we figure out a name for that thing. Some people liked Hand-Me-Down. Hand-Me-Down was a good one. I put it on my list. Just because most of the parts off of Spanky, if I ever upgrade, will probably get Hand-Me-Down to that car. So it kind of goes good with it. One of our buddies said buckwheat. Thought that was kind of funny. There's just a couple. I got like 5 on my list. So I really got to think of a name so I can make a t-shirt for this thing. And but anyways, U.S. Street Nationals this weekend. Gonna be a blast. Heavy hitters, $5,000 no time race. Some fast cars. So I'm gonna have to be on my A game. Gonna have to be chopping that tree down, and tune-up's gonna have to be on kill because there's gonna be some fast boys there. But first real race of the year, so I'm ready. I've been bored. I haven't raced in about a month and a half, so that's why my content has kind of been a little bit trash. But you guys are still sticking around, liking the random stuff we got going on. A lot of racing this year. I think there's over 18 events on my schedule, and there's most of them are out of state this year because that was what I told myself. 2022, I wanted to do some no prep, and I wanted to do some out of state racing with Spanky. So a lot of streetcar takeover stuff's going to be going down. But so race schedule, we got U.S. Street Nationals this week. Streetcar takeover the following week, and then we roll right into sick week. So that's 9 days straight of racing. Friday, Saturday, streetcar takeover, and then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, sick week. 9 days straight of racing, guys. I'm going to be posting a lot, so don't get mad. Just be happy. I'm going to be just videoing everything because everybody says this whole sick week, drag week like deal, if you've never done it before, it's absolutely crazy. So I'm super excited to catch all the film for you guys. So like the video, hit the sub, hit the bell so you see when we're dropping this stuff. I gotta go pull in my driveway right now because my wife got another pig. And it's huge. I'm looking at it right now. Catch y'all in the next clip.